Kaso
Wala pa,
dalawang
may
kasi
Higgins pa.
kalaban natin. Doon talaga tayo na problema, dalawang inkwing sobrang lakas. Kalaban natin.
Basta hindi makalapit yan, kaya natin yan.
Oo. Ay, Je, pag nandito sa atin yung melons, yung ultimo, wag mong gagamitin hanggat di sila lumalabas. Pag nandito sa atin. Para yung ultimo, para sa kanila lang.
Guys, if you see Melon, please don't engage. Just
Try to
CC.
distance yourself.
Yes.
Go 5, go 5.
Go, 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 go.
Let's go, let's go. Team buff right away when we reach the tower. Ang bilis to. Ay, nag-ano ka agad. Team buff, team buff. Ulti everything. Naka-HL sila kaagad. Oh. Ayun, patay. Go, 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 go guys, go guys, go guys. Tower, tower, tower.
Ano, naka-HL?
Okay lang yun, okay lang yun.
Medyo, hindi ko alam, parang hindi nakikita alam yung nagawa.
Tayo lahat guys. Ay, paki-ano, sinong maingay na mic dyan, paki-off. Hello, hello.
Ay, hello.
Team buff, team buff.
Kay help, maingay yung ano.
Paki-off lang ano mo sa dulo ng mic mo.
Sorry.
Sige, okay lang, okay lang. Go guys, tower, tower.
Guys, gilid kayo yan. Gilid kayo pumes.
Corners guys, corners. Left and right corners. Don't try to... Position yourself at the middle. Don't ever do that. Let's go. Ayun, nakaka-push sila. Gripping, spam it.
But 16 lang tayo.
Sige lang. Ang nakaka-push naman lahat ng ano natin ng... Yung 4 yung hirap, yung 4 yung mahirap sa atin. Nandito yung mga melon sa ata. Lahat nakaka-push eh. Sige lang. Kalma lang. Wait lang, wait. Team buff. Anyone? Ulting. Nauubos ko sila. Let's go. Aray, naubos na ako. No, iyak yung ibang BF nila. Go guys. Don't stop the party. Tayo yung pinakahirap eh. Tayo may pinakamalakas pero tayo yung hirap. Pero kulang din kasi tayo. Let's go. Yan. Tower only.
Guys, when you enter, go to the side.
Ayan,
Gripping on choke, please. Gripping on slam.
Okay. Tower almost down. Focus on towers, guys. Then we push. Go inside.
Go inside.
Go inside. Naka-flower dyan sa loob. Go. I'm ulting.
Come on, go.
Naubos sila, naubos na sa gitna. Go. Okay, go. Go sideways. Namatay tayo, may umulti ata si Aleria. Go guys, all their towers are being pushed. It's a good sign. Just don't be too confident. Just keep up what we're doing. Oh, don't rush the tower. Let's stay here first. So we can push slowly. Chill. Wait. Ops. Nag-ulti. Stay at the sides, guys. Don't stay in the middle. So their skills will not hit us that much. Oh. I'm ulting. naka-HL ba sila? Hindi tayo pa lang naka-HL.
Come on, let's go. Inside. Go.
Gripping right tower.
Gripping.
Stairs gripping. Flowering at the stairs. Stop. Sakit. Okay, maintain this guys. Maintain the flowers and the creeping at the stairs. As much as possible at the top of the stairs, not below. So we can delay them much more. Let's go. Keep it up guys.
Guys, yung mga Saint, medyo forward.
Oh, no, wait. Don't. Kalma ulit. Calm. Let's push again. Don't rush. Wait. Oh, go. Go inside. Go. Yung BF4 natin nalanganin na konti. Nandun na ata si na Melons. Sinong BF4 natin?
Complete sila.
Go. Flower and everything. The stairs. Yun, naubos sila sa ulti ni JR. Kitang-kita. Tower guys. Focus so we can go to Crystal. Para ma-delay yung 4 nila. Mag-aalangan yan. Kasi mas mabilis
Guys,
yung firepower natin.
put flower and creep.
Ulting. I think we are going to destroy the tower already. Wala pang HL tayo eh. Go. Ay, wait. Go.
Come on,
Go.
up. Let's go.
Buff, super armor buff if someone has any destroyer with super armor buff. Let's go. Go guys. Go.
Nasa ano na rin sila?
Crystal na rin nga eh. Hindi ko alam paano gagawin. 20 rin sila eh. Para pabilisan na lang to. Tapos feel BF5. Pwede. Ala ka. Mas maano ang ata sila eh. Tingnan lang.
Ilan ba tayo mag-mount?
Matagal yan mag-mount. Bilis. Tower lang. Crystal lang. Mas mabilis yung firepower natin basta makaakyat tayo eh.
Ayaw mag-mount.
Okay. Slowly. Huwag i-rush yung ano. Don't rush. We kill them all then we rush. As much as possible. Aray, yung sakit. Hirap umakyat pa. Try mo dyan, no? Ay, wala ka palang flower, no? Flower sa ano, tapos ano yung bola-bola mo. Sobrang sakit nun eh. Parang mauubos sila doon. Let's go. Yan, 20 na tayo.
Come, let's go.
Go. Inside. Go. HL if there is. Ay, wala pa pala. Go. Heal. Go. Okay. Extal. Yee! Hindi nila napupush yung ano, tower natin. Go. Go guys.
Sobrang sakit naman nila.
Si Baljengs yan, no? Nasa baba. Go, 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 guys. Okay. Slow down again, slow down. We kill them all first. Then we climb to the stairs. Ready. Almost. Wait. I can't ulti. What the fuck? Teka lang, nauubos tayo. Kalma lang. Chill. I'm multiing. Ops. Chill.
Natataranta na sila BF1.
Oo. Hindi na full power. Tingnan mo, dadali nila Melon dito or itatry nila yung BF4. I-push. Pero nahihirapan din sila pero nagagalaw konti-konti. Slow down again. As much as possible, we slow it down. Let's just hope that BF4 can withstand the power of Melons. Because we are winning already.
Let's go.
No, wala pa. Side guys, side. Enter the choke point and go to sides. Get fucking dirty. Teka lang, malapit na yung HL natin, no? Hold your HL, okay? Wait for my signal. If possible. Let's do HL when we climb the tower. The stairs. Ready. We're ulting the stairs.
Ba't pinakaangat yung BF1 eh?
HL, anyone? HL? Let's go.
HL. Let's go.
Pasok. Enter. While HL.
Let's go inside. Let's go.
Go inside while HL is on. Then focus on the Taldo crystal as much as possible. Don't waste the HL. Ayun, ang ganda ng flower ko pa yun. Sapit. Okay, go. We're doing it, guys. Boss Nebs, nandito ka ba? Pa-hold ako ng yun, tawag dito yung super armor buff. Signalan kita pag tayo super armor buff. Ayun naman kasi super armor buff na pala. Wait. Let's go. Slow down again.
Ayaw na naman mag-grab, mag-mount.
Stairs. Okay, go. Go. Then crystal again. Try to hit the crystal again as much as you can. Then it's okay that we die as long as we hit the crystal.
Hili AFK.
Screenshot mo, J. Hindi natin maalala yan basta-basta eh. Sides, guys. Spread out so we will not die from their AoEs. Spread out as much as possible. Go. They are already being
Guys gripping in flower.
Gripping in the here inside. Gripping. Yan, go. Tower only. Tower. I mean the crystal. I'm planting. Oops. Gagi, hindi pala atin. Okay. Flower planted at the stairs. Go. Crystal. We're doing it, guys.
Shit lang, may 5 minutes pa, mamaya na yan.
Just stay calm. Don't be too overconfident. Spread out, guys. Spread out as much as possible.
Gago, nakakainis. Hindi ako makapag-mount. Nakakabobo naman to. Unfair.
Simula sa start, hindi ka nakakapag-mount?
Wala. Kina-try.
Out ka muna, tapos balik ka.
Huwag na, puta.
Yan, layo niyan lalakarin mo eh. Sustain, guys. Sustain. Any buff? Any buff? Thank you.
Ina mo.
Ulting, I'm ulting. Ubos yung dinadaanan ng ulti ko. Sakit. Let's go,
Ulot.
guys.
Ulat ako, di dito sa melon, no?
Hindi, yan, Joe. Sinugal na yan nila kasi kung lilipat sila dito, mahihirapan silang i-push to eh, kasi dito yung pinakamalakas natin eh.
Tangina, sobra swerte naman ng charge shot sa gitna ng ano? Choke point.
Ready. Oops. Stay calm. Slowly again. Wait. Don't rush. We kill them at the stairs again. Wait for us. Pero mas konti sila ha. Sa numbers na tayo. Okay. Ready.
Come on.
Go.
Go up.
Okay na, nag-flower
Ay,
na.
sakit!
Oh, dyan, talon-talon sila Ilang ano natin ang nakapasok na, lahat na pala, ang dami na palang nakapasok sa atin.
Isa lang offline.
Alam, masakit na sir. Ingat sa gripping ha, baka mahulog ito ng gripping. Sige, pasok lang kayo ng pasok. Matangina nyo.
Tagal ko na tong hinihintay ang panahon na to, Je. Putang ina nyo.
Naman! Beach boy!
Asan yung Sampola? Andito yung Sampola eh.
Kaya maglalabasan na yan. Kasi alam nila yan eh, yan yung kataga ko eh, na galing sa akin galing yan. Kaya pinabalik sa atin. Kaya mo, finally sayon.
Ayan na!
Ano nyo, babalagbagin ko kayo, papasukin nyo ako dyan. Ang ina mo, Mandy.
Guys. Puminto na yung isa. Nagta-trash talk na.